Are you suffering from back pain, diabetes, weak bone, joint pain, knee pain? Come, let's start the video. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Ayur Chikitsa. Today we are going to see the preparation of magical powder which can solve all our bone issues. Required ingredients are moringa leaves. It is called as drumstick leaves. Curry leaves, coriander seeds, dry red chilies, methi seeds, urad dal, sesame seeds, jeera, rock salt, asafoetida. It is called as Hing, peanuts, tamarind, garlic, cleanly washed moringa leaves, Channa dal. Moringa leaves can be used to protect tissues like liver, kidneys, heart and lungs. And to reduce the pain, it helps in reducing the fat formation and it also promotes the fat breakdown. Used for the treatment of wide variety of ailments including arthritis and joint pains. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, which helps to maintain healthy vision, protects from pollutants and toxins. It can help prevent and treat chronic diseases like inflammatory diseases, diabetes and cancer. Taking an anti-inflammatory such as moringa powder on a regular basis has shown to offer women greater protection from breast cancer. Curry leaves. Curry leaves oil is rich in vitamins and calcium and may be used for strengthening the bones. They are rich in vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin C. It also contains B2. Curry leaves are also said to be good sources of iron and calcium, help in improving bone health by strengthening the bones and preventing diseases. Coriander seeds contain high amounts of bone-friendly minerals like calcium, magnesium and manganese. It's full of vitamin K, which plays an important role in helping your blood clot. Vitamin K also helps your bones repair themselves. Dry red chilies helps in keeping your immune system healthy and increases your capacity of fighting off diseases. The key for a healthy heart is adding some red chilies in your diet. It helps in clearing blood clots and blockages, keeps heart diseases away. Methi seeds are good sources of calcium. Methi seeds is considered as medicinal plant which can provide a good amount of calcium to the body. It helps to lower the excess cholesterol and sugar levels in the body. Urad dal consuming regularly which help you prevent bone related problems and maintain your bone health. And it is good source of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, iron and calcium. Helps to reduce the bone and joint pain which massaged on the affected area. According to Ayurveda, the bones and joints are considered a site of vata in body. Pains in the joints is mainly due to vata imbalance. Sesame seeds. It strengthens your bones as well as prevents bone loss. Sesame seed contains zinc, magnesium, calcium, healthy omega-3 fats and high protein content which can solve bone related problems. Eat half to 1 tablespoon or as per day to taste roasted sesame seeds in a day. Calcium also plays a role in nerve signal transmission, muscle movement, blood vessel function, and hormone release. Jeera is a good source of potassium and iron, which helps in building your immune system. It is also very rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial properties which assists in fighting off infection causing bacteria. Jeera also contains a variety of minerals like magnesium and calcium. Rock salt is considered more natural and healthy, is considered better for consumption. Having a variety of minerals, rock salt is effective in preventing many diseases. Asafoetida, or it is also called as Hing. In Ayurvedic medicine, Hing is used to aid digestion and gas as well as treat kidney stones, which helps to protect against chronic inflammation, heart disease, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. It keeps your tummy happy. Peanuts. Peanuts is full of fiber, is good for digestion. Eating peanuts as a regular part of one's diet can help lower the risk of colon cancer as well as formation of gallstones. It contains calcium, protein, and vitamin D. Peanuts are beneficial in promoting healthy bones and teeth. You should eat per day is around 42 grams approximately. Tamarind is a rich source of magnesium. It also contains more calcium than many plant food. 100 grams of tamarind extract contains 35 to 170 mg of calcium. Tamarind might lower blood sugar levels. It can help to reduce the pain in the joints, arthritis pain. Garlic minimizes the bone loss through increasing estrogen levels and reducing bone resorption. Garlic is widely recognized for its ability to fight bacteria, virus, and fungus related issue, and it is also known to be a blood thinner due to its anti-platelet properties. Channa dal has a lot of mineral, phosphorus, which helps to produce healthy teeth and strong bones. It also works with calcium to strengthen our bones, and even magnesium helps in the formation of bones. First, take one clean bowl, pour drumstick leaves, put little rock salt to it, and wash from clean plain water at least 2 times. Strain excess water from it. Switch on the gas stove. Keep on low flame. Keep iron kadai on the gas stove. Once it is hot, pour washed drumstick leaves. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil to it. Keep on mixing the leaves continuously. Slowly it turns to dark green in color. After 4 to 5 minutes, the leaves become fully dry. Take that mixture out in the bowl. Add peanuts, channa dal, urad dal, coriander seeds, jeera, dry red chilies, tamarind, fresh curry leaves, sesame seeds. Dry roast all ingredients separately and make it cool. Take mixer jar, put all dry roast mixture inside the jar. Add rock salt, garlic and hing. Add according to your taste. Make a fine powder. Pour moringa powder in dry glass bottle. Store in refrigerator. You can use up to 30 to 35 days. Consume daily in lunch time. First 3 feeds with this powder. It works like a magic. Remove all your bones issue problems. From back pain, and keeps your bones very strong. Continue up to 3 months. You will see the changes in your body. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment, and this will boost us to do more and more informative videos.